Your Lordship was pleased to take up this matter. In fact, your Lordship has been pleased to hold in one of the SLST matters that the persons who didn't have the EWS certificate on the cut-off date of the examination cannot be used. I have been served with the report. Now, this report, it appears to be addressed to the learned advocate. I have been served with this. Their contention is that, the cut-off date they have admitted, and thereafter they say, kindly once, if your Lordship takes up, page 57 is the impugned action. Now, there are things against me also, but still, to just sum up, clause E is impugned. Income and asset certificates for candidates, Lordship is at page 56, for candidates belonging to economically weaker section, valid for the year 2023-24 onwards. That is the impugned. Next page, my lord. Can you see the next page? Same.
What does this onward mean? It is never ending.
Nah, that is the contention. My lord, I think, my lord, he will be using the report. I think he should bring this report on record, my lord. And my lord, in the meantime,
No, but then I see the next page there is another.
That is same thing. They published that. They are saying that by mistake we had published that, and now they are supporting page 57. Same recruitment. They have published page 58 without this onwards. That is also my case, but now they come and say that this was erroneously done, so therefore
Onwards was erroneously done.
Onwards was not mentioned, erroneous. This is my police recruitment board.
That means they want to keep that onwards.
They want to keep this on. They are standing by this page 57, so therefore it has to be decided. Lordship, if
my lord, today Tuhin Mundal filed an application for addition of party.
The addition of party applications. Similarly, circumstance candidates have come.
Yes, so
They may be
what is your problem?
His problem is not having the report. He has taken the report.
What further report will you have? What is your stand?
I will be relying upon, my lord, the FAQs and, my lord, the specific things which says he may argue many things in the recruitment notice and all these things, but
What is the position of the recruitment now?
my lord, Lordship remembers it has not been conducted in one of my matters where the point of, my lord, 15% reservation for civic volunteers and, my lord, the home guards and NVFs are pending. The learned government leader has taken a stand before this honorable court that in view of the pendency of the election, we are not recruiting. But, my
But
lord,
the election will be over. Election
Yes.
is not there
no.
for all the
Lordship has
time.
kept those matters, my lord, I think in the next week or first
The
week.
interview already completed, but
I have participated in
the
the
result not published.
result not published. I have
What
participated in
is
the
your explanation to this EWS certificate validity period? What is your explanation?
I will be relying upon your Lordship's judgment, but prior to that, I should show, my lord, the entire papers.
Is this the only issue?
This is the only issue.
The EWS certificate?
Yes. We are the persons who had the EWS certificates
For
of
the
that
year
particular year, 2023-2024. Now, my lord, in the recruitment notice, kindly sees, it has to be interpreted. Kindly sees the recruitment notice. Same board is issuing two recruitment notices. First, in respect of constables of West Bengal, that is at 15. The clauses are different, and the same board issues recruitment notice for the constables in Kolkata Police, where the EWS category is differently mentioned. Here it is said, kindly comes
page
page 15.
of the writ petition?
Yes.
Yes.
In terms of such and such backward classes welfare, the candidates on the EWS weaker section, if shortlisted for interview, must produce income and asset certificates issued by the competent authority valid for the year 2023-2024 or onwards issued for financial year 2022 to 2023 or onwards. So therefore, 2022 to 2024 would be the interpretation, if at all. And my lord, there were cut-off dates which they have said in the report also. My contention here would be nothing, EWS certificate, education certificate, whatever it is, nothing can be considered beyond the cut-off. They have said in their report also that the cut-off date window available was still 14/4/2024. That is there in this advertisement also.
Where is that date?
Yes, I'll just mention. Just a minute. Period of application is page 20. And there was an editing option also. Kindly see page 20, clause 10. Lakshmi Singh. Now, my lord, thereafter, there was an editing option also given. Entirely, it expired in 14/4/2024. That is in their report. They have said so. I'll also find it out from here, man.
Alright.
Yes, my
Now, my lord.
report, my lord.
Acha, report আসছে.
Yes.
Now, kindly takes up their report, paragraph 4. Published on such and such, editing such and such.
Please make known to your officers that when reports are filed, this sir and madam is not to be mentioned.
Malad, they should come up, Malad, with this.
It should be affirmed. Otherwise, somebody should take responsibility of whatever is there.
Yes.
Today, someone is there,
I
tomorrow
thought so that they will come.
transferred. A third person will come
Yes.
and say, no, this was wrongly mentioned. Why go into all these things?
Yet the
Next day,
responsibility has been taken.
You are a very senior
Good, good,
practitioner. You must be knowing all these things. Please advise your client properly.
Yes, yes. Mhm.
Yes?
Now, my lord, kindly see the report. Paragraph 4 is the dates that they have mentioned. Thereafter, they went on to say that it is paragraph 5. It is clarified from the such and such is getting to all benefits reservation from the date of issuance of the caste certificate. They have relied upon a memo which says that caste certificates dates have to be taken into consideration, which means Amal submission is not relevant. During the copy of the communication received by the Backward Welfare Department, Government of West Bengal is enclosed. R4. It is pertinent to mention that the advertisement was published on 5/3/2024. The application window remained open from such and such date to such and such. Candidates who applied under the EWS category did not have any relaxation of age. We don't want relaxation of age. And also application fees at the time of submissions and before written examination as per rules. It is relevant to mention herein that the written examination was held on 30th November 2025 and the result of the written examination was passed on 29th December 2025 and it was revised on 31st December 2025. It was clearly informed under column 3B of the information to application that in terms of the memo dated such and such backward classes from the candidates from economically weaker section, if shortlisted for interview, must produce income and assets issued by the competent authority valid for the year 2023-2024 onwards, within bracket, issued for financial year 2022-2023 or onwards. During checking of the testimonials on the date of interview, candidates seeking reservation under such and such must produce EWS certificate and such. Non-production of income and asset certificates was warrants eligibility of candidates, but we were not going into all these things because we have produced. I have annexed. However, they may be considered that you are, if they get equal or higher.
Should the matter be adjourned for filing a report properly? Otherwise, you will not be in a position to file an exception.
Yes.
If lordship directs, I can file one-page exception. But
then whether relying on this, no, let it be filed by way of an affidavit because the matter won't end here. It's going to go up, right?
But in the meantime, my lord, if they complete everything, that is the difficulty that I am facing.
Right now, they have not completed.
Yes, but point is that they should put those candidates on notice. But in any case, the interim stage has gone, so therefore I cannot say.
Acha.
It is squarely covered by your lordship's judgment. May I just once draw your lordship's attention to the judgment that your lordship has been pleased to pass considering Digba and all in SLST matter. It is your lordship has been pleased to, my lord, hold it. Kindly, for cursory glance, kindly sees once your lordship's judgment.
No, I am aware of the judgment that I have passed.
Basically, these persons were these subsequent persons who had got the EWS cert.
Has not been prepared till date. So, a peremptory chance is given to the respondent for filing the report by way of an affidavit.
This is my copy. I will not give this. I think you have.
And circulate the same positively by 8th May. Release the matter for further consideration on 18th. Sir, it will be open for petitioner to file exception to the same prior to the urgent date of hearing.
4th May is the result.
The report shall specifically indicate the number of candidates who submitted the EWS certificate for the period 2022-2024.
Yes.
And the candidates who relied upon EWS certificate
2025-2024
after the year 2023-2024.
After, yes, same.
Are you following?
Yes.
Shuma Chakraborty is
Take this back.
Yes, yes.
And who filed the application? Are you appearing for the applicant? Anybody for the
Someone
applicant?
must have filed.
None appears on
Everyone didn't expect that the court will be so fast.
application. Stop. No accommodation sought for ends of justice. Release the application along with the main writ petition on 18th. Take
Only
this
one,
back.
may I pray for expedition? Because 4th, the learned government has said that they are not giving the appointment only because of the model code of conduct.
Yes.
On 4th, the model code of conduct will go.
Yes.
If they give the appointments, then that will be difficult, my lord. Considering that, my lord, if your lordship kindly keeps it before 4th.
Before 4th, how can they file their report?
Just only one, my lord.
I do not have an objection. If you can convince your learned friend to come up,
In fact, lordship may kindly accept this report, gives us opportunity to file one-page exception and keeps it next week.
that will be difficult.
But because someone has taken the responsibility, my lord, one my lord, deputy commissioner of police has taken the responsibility.
Let him file it by way of an affidavit.
Arnav Ghosh has taken the my lord, responsibility.
Whoever it is, today Arnav is there, next day somebody else will come and then
Deputy superintendent, my lord.
quickly,
Election
we cannot-
going on.
Yes, something or the other will be there.
Then I'll be praying for some interim order, my lord.
Let us see next year.
This may be kept vacant, my lord. At least one post is only one petition.
An application for addition of party has
Petition
come,
of party. I am not.
and you never know how many more additions will come.
But
Because-
in the event, my lord, these things, my lord, if they come
And
and
there
give
is
the
another
appointment,
matter
my lord,
also.
if they give the appointment, my lord, then the rights will be crystallized on the persons, my lord.
I can understand. You think 4th the result will be published and 5th the appointments will be given. Can they move so fast?
I think the appointment letters are ready. Just one click of a button. Now everything is there in the website.
After election, after 1 week after election.
I can post it 1 year after the election, but I'll restrain you from appointing anybody. Is it all right with you?
Yes, yes.
What? Why are you looking at her?
She is giving the instructions.
You were supposed to file the report,
Yes.
which should have been in an affirmed format. See how you prepared the report. How are you placing this before the court? This should not have been there. You don't take the responsibility, and now when the court passes an interim order, you say you cannot do it. How can this be done?
Yes, my lord. As your lordship.
Ligundu, any steps taken during the pendency of the writ petition shall abide by the result of this thing. Call the next matter.
Deflector.
Serial number